In this video, I will show you how to streamline your professional communication by drafting Outlook emails using Claude. We all know that staring at a blank screen while trying to find the perfect professional tone can be incredibly time-consuming. By using artificial intelligence, you can generate high-quality drafts in seconds that sound natural and polished. To get started, you simply need to provide Claude with 3 key pieces of information, which are the context of the message, who you are sending it to, and the specific tone you want to achieve. For example, if you need to follow up on a project, you could type a prompt asking Claude to draft a formal follow-up email to Sarah regarding the budget proposal. It is helpful to be specific with your requirements, such as asking the AI to keep the message under 150 words and ensuring it includes a request for a reply by Friday. Once Claude generates the text, you can quickly review it for accuracy and then copy and paste it directly into a new message in Outlook. This method ensures that your emails are concise and clear while maintaining the appropriate level of professionalism. You can easily adjust the settings by asking for a more casual tone or a more urgent one depending on your specific needs. Using this workflow allows you to focus on your core tasks instead of formatting sentences all day long. I hope this simple trick helps you manage your inbox more efficiently and saves you a significant amount of time during your workday. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.